Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahul Abdul Ghaffar. I'm from Mechanical Engineering A1 Nike. For currently, I want to explain article about welding. Let's go. Welding and overview or general welding is a permanent joining process in which two pieces of metal join together to form one pieces by hitting the metals the tear melting point. Additional metal, also called filter metal, is added during the heating process to help bond the two pieces together. Types of welding process. Here I will explain for topic. Is it SMAW, VCAW, KTAW, and KMIAW? Okay, one topic is SMEW, or what is called shielded metal arc welding, also known as manual metal arc welding, flux shielded arc welding, or informally as stick welding, is a manual arc welding process that uses a consumable electrode convert with a flux to light the weld. Okay, next, VCAW, or what is called flux cored arc welding. It's semi-automatic or automatic arc welding process that uses a consumable tubular electrode in the electric arc joint two metals. It was introduced as a solution to overcome the limitation of shielded metal arc welding or stick weld and VCA using CO2 gas. Okay, next, GTAW, also known as gas tungsten arc welding or tungsten inert gas TIG welding, is an arc welding process that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. The weld area and electrode area protection from oxidation or the atmospheric contamination by an insert shielding gas, such as argon or helium. Filler metal is normally used, though somewhat known as autogenous welds or fusion welds do not require. And the last, KMAW, or gas metal arc welding, or MEG weld, metal inert gas welding. This process uses a thin wire as an electrode. The wire head up when it is fed through the welding machine to the welding point. Shielding gas must be used to protect the weld from airborne contamination. Okay, next, safety. Welding safety equipment. The first, auto-dragning helmet, welding gloves, welding boots, welding aprons, like welding jacket, wear pack, masker, air mask. Okay, the last conclusion, welding is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of the metals being used, the welding process, and safety production. Whatever you professional welder or a habit, it's important to keep the point in the mind to use a safe and effective welding process.